Well, it looks like Stephen Miller's career is going to be over next year. Let's take a look at this. Okay, let's see. Right here, we see Pluto conjunct midheaven. Right away, that is like saying, and in Scorpio, that suggests that he's going to be known for either some type of career death or perhaps an actual death. Okay, and then down here, we have Pluto squaring that right now. Pluto square Pluto and Pluto square midheaven are both on their own brutal transits. To have them both at the same time, when we have Neptune and Saturn and then also Uranus all in aspect at the same time, that means now this Pluto here is going to be making a yod with the Saturn-Neptune conjunction and Uranus over here. A yod is a concentration of energy where these two planets' energies is like expressed through Pluto, which Pluto is like destruction. And okay, it can be like transformation sometimes, but like we're talking about Stephen Miller here. Okay, I don't think we're gonna see high vibrational outcomes here. Okay, so Neptune conjunct Saturn is like falling away of structures, okay, and that's in his 4th house of home, okay, and then we have Uranus is right here, that's his 6th house of work, okay, and that is all being expressed through Pluto, destruction, in the 11th house of like associates and like groups. And what's more crazy is when this is exactly going to be an aspect, that is the same time that it looks like a really great transit for the United States as a whole. Like that's when I just made a video talking about the turning point next July for the United States. That coincides with the destruction of Stephen Miller's career. I just went through those transits and I almost died and I was homeless. Now, I don't think that's how it's going to play out for him. I'm just saying those are fucking brutal transits. Because when that Jupiter will be an aspect which is helping the other planets, the Jupiter is going to be in his 8th house, which isn't really a great place for it to be. And it will be square his natal Pluto. Also, his chart ruler is Saturn, okay? And Saturn is again in Scorpio. So Saturn things that happen like affect him more strongly. So a Saturn-Neptune conjunction is like especially significant for him, and for it to be in a yod with all this bad aspects, like next year's a disaster for him.